Hello friends, welcome to my channel Made Simple Classes. In this video, we will see the question number 4. That is this question is based on the list compression. Okay. Based on the list compression. Okay. Find squares of each element of a list using list compression. We need to find the each element square. Okay. By using list compression, this is important. Suppose this is the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 8. Okay, after that, we need to find the square of another list having square of 1, square of 2, 4, square of 3, 9, square of 4, 16, square of 5, 25, like this. Okay, so that expected output should be 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 6 is 36, 8 is 64. Okay, friends, I will solve this program now. Okay, suppose the list is given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. Okay. After that, I need to use the list compression. So list comprehension. Comprehension means in single line we need to write the code by using list. Okay. So for I in L. Okay. After that, I into I. Is this right? Is this syntax right? Okay, we will check. For I in L, and after that I into I is syntax right? No, it is going there. So we need to write here I into I. We can write here the if conditions, right? If conditions we can write here I into I at the place of I, but not this thing. Friends, now see L equal to 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36. Then after that 64. Okay, friends, this is our solution, whatever he asked. Thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet in the next question.